Good morning, everyone. This is just a quick update for your OLE Computers course. I know a number of you have moved on from Python or just now starting to work on Office programs. There are a number of assignments that are going to require you, starting with Microsoft Word, to show that you can use the general features and some of the more specific items. As you can see on the screen right here, here's an example of the assignment called Insertion of Symbols, Special Characters, and Images. Now, this is actually what you're going to be doing the assignment with. And I know it's a little confusing, but the assignment here is with the directions. So make sure to follow the assignment instructions exactly as it says. And if it asks for you to name a feature or a function, you've got to name it. Don't describe what it looks like, what the character looks like on your Word program. You've got to be very specific. One suggestion I would make, I know a lot of this can be done with Word Online. I think you're better off using the installed versions. And one of the beauties that we have with the district access is that students can download the version of Microsoft Office, install it on their computer, and using their district credentials, then be able to use that software. So, for example, on this one, all the directions are here. You'll notice then this is where you're going to be entering your responses and doing whatever formatting or other changes have to be done to that software. Second thing, when you get ready to upload the activity, you don't upload it one at a time. And I know we did a lot of that with Python. For whatever reason, not my call, for whatever reason, you have to upload 3, maybe 4 documents at a time. And it will tell you as you progress through the unit where you will upload. So just make sure you're saving onto these files, and then at some point, it will tell you to upload the 3 or 4 documents you've created so far. If you have any questions, please let me know.